Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic basketball hoop, extensible and portable basketball hoop that this brand sent to me for this video. We're here today with Seba. This is my neighbor's kid, and he's a really good basketball player. So as soon as they told me that they're gonna send me this one, I said, yeah, I want it, and I want to practice with that. So this one, which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds, and everything that comes with. It was super easy to assemble, so easy, and he just dropped the ball in the pool. But it was so easy that he did it because since this one is going to be his basketball hoop, he did it by himself. I mean, with the supervision of his dad and everything for sure, but he did it by himself and took it about 45 minutes. So remember, he did this. So if we was able to do it, it means that you're going to be able to do it right away. So let's actually jump in and dive in so you can see a few of these details. But again, it's one of the good ones. So let's start with the bottom part. What you're going to see over there, this right here is going to be a rebouncer. Seva, can you do a rebounce a little bit? Can you do a few rebounces there? So this is going to be a rebouncer for the ball to go back to you so you can actually practice. So that is a really good thing for this ones to have. And this one right here is going to put all the water. You can put the water in here. So this base is going to be really heavy as soon as filled with water. Right here, you're going to find the ball holder. So you can put the ball over here when you're done playing. And on the front part, you're going to find, let me show you. Those two red things are gonna be wheels. So if you want, you can actually move this one with the wheels. That is really good for something as heavy as this platform. Okay, check this out. If you wanna do things a little bit harder, this one goes from the 5.3 feet to the 10.7. I think it was 10.7, and it's really easy. Check this out. The only thing you will have to do is use this crank over here. Just keep going, and this thing keeps going up and up and up. So as soon as they're finished practicing with the 5 feet or the 6 or the 7, they can go up to the 10. So now, right now on the 8.5, and if I keep going, I'm gonna go to the 9 and then to the 9.5 and then to the 10. So that is really good to have. And this one, just having this crank over here, meaning that I'm not doing any effort actually. That is really good. And it's getting more and more difficult. So we're gonna stop at the 9.5 to see if it can keep it up. That is gonna be really good. It seems he's a good one, you know. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is that it comes with those choke springs for kind of like rebouncing and making sure that the glass is not gonna break. So that is also really important to have in this type of devices. And the 45 inches shatterproof glass, kind of like, again, that's going to be the frame for the ball to bounce. It is shatterproof and is very resistant as well. So one more time, if you're looking for a reliable, easy to assemble, large, heavy, but also good for the kids to practice, check this one out, because I think it could be the necessary thing that they need for practicing, either in the easy mode or the medium mode or the professional mode with the highest height of this one. So I'm gonna just keep going up and see if he can keep it up. But I gotta say that if he's happy, we're all happy. Check it out one more time. I do recommend it with a thumbs up.